So I remember when I decided to start learning SQL, one of the major challenge I had was installing the actual software which will allow me to practice and also uh, build projects. It's just not as easy as firing up like an Excel spreadsheet, and I see a lot of beginners struggle with it. So because of this, I'm going to show you how the platform I use when I want to run or build an SQL project, and also we're going to be installing the software together. So let's head over to my screen and let's do that. First thing you want to do is head over to dbeaver.com. That is the IDE that we're going to be using, and also search dbeaver.com community edition, and then you're going to click on this Dbeaver community edition and then select the kind of laptop that you use. For me, I'm using the operating system Mac OS. So, and you're going to download it. After downloading, the installation is pretty straightforward. So just click on it, open the package. So I'm going to open the package right now. So when you open the package, it shows up this way. If you're using a Windows, you're most likely going to be seeing the same thing. So I'm going to click on don't share data and confirm. Yeah, so and it's going to ask you, do you want to create sample database? This is actually very important. Please click yes so that you can have access to a sample database that you can use to practice and also build projects. In later video I can tell you how you can also import new databases and use that. So I'm going to click yes, and voila, that's it. We have our sample database and we have our SQL platform, and you can start building projects with it. So quickly, if you want to run your first query, all you just have to do is right click on this and go to SQL editor and then click on open SQL script. So when you click on open SQL script, so it says SQL driver files are missing, you can click on download and then you have that. So the last thing is run your first SQL select script. You can click on select star from, and we have different tables in here. So I can say from album, yeah, and let's see if this works. So yeah, the query ran successfully. That means we've successfully set up our SQL workbench, IDA, RDBMS, whatever you're going to call it. But then you can start practicing with this, and you see you have a sample database which is nice and can be used for any form of project which you can add on your portfolio. So let me know if you find this helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.